guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to be unboxing and swatching some of their gel polish. This was actually sent over by MEFA, so thank you. All the information you guys need to know will be down below in the description box. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. So let's go ahead and take this out and see what's in here. And so far it looks nicely packed. Nothing seems to be broken. There's 20 different colors here, so let me go ahead and back up the camera just a tiny bit. Okay, so here are all the 20 colors, and then you get 3 extra, so you get a base, matte, and a regular top coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them real quick on this little white piece of paper, and then we're gonna go into the design that I have in mind. So let's go ahead and get started. So here is how the bottle looks. Pretty small, very tiny. It's 5 ml, so it's a 0.17 fluid ounce. The colors on top, and I think it's a QR code. And here is more information regarding what's in the bottle, like the ingredients, I think. No, it's not the ingredients. Anyways, so let's go ahead and open this up. So this one is a glitter one. Oh my goodness, it's not even capturing it. Oh, there we go. So pretty. I like this one. So here are all the colors all swatched. So there is 4 different gel polishes that are sheer, the pink, the yellow, the green, and the purple. And then there's 2 glitter gel polishes, and the rest of them are very pigmented. Make sure you guys stay towards the end so you guys could go ahead and look and enjoy the nail design that I have upcoming right now.